First we will give the variable is the f and give expression is the 400 e6 and give add. After that we will give ld, that expression will be c0 by f and that ld1 0.44 into ld and give add. This way we will give the variables. Give ld ld2 is the same value and ld3 is give by 0.43 into ld and 0 and the ld4 is equal to 0.4 into ld. After that we will give lf expression 0.46 into ld add. After that we will give lr expression 0.475 into ld and give add. After that we will give x variables. X1 is equal to x1 expressions 0.31 into ld, same x2 also, same x3 also. X4 will be 0.32 into ld and x5 and the x variable is finished. We will give wire radius. Wire radius expression is I1e is equal to minus 3. 1e is equal to minus 3. After that give construct and give line in that construct. The u is 0, v will be lf by 2 and u is 0, give v is equal to lf by 2, that is minus. The starting point in plus and the ending point in minus always. After that check that line while in the x-axis. Zoom and check that line will in that x-axis. After that create new line. Starting point u is the x1 and the ending point also u is x1. That v starting point v is ld1 by 2 and the v minus ld1 by 2 ending point. Give add. After that x1 plus x2, give ending point 8, give also x1 plus x2, that v give ld2 by 2 and end point ld minus ld2 by 2. After that give x1 plus x2 plus x3 line. It will be u is the x1 plus x2 plus x3 starting point ending point is also, and we will change ld v is equal to ld3 by 2 v and the ending point v minus ld3 by 2. After that x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 line. Starting point is x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 and the value is v ld4 by 2 and the ending point is minus ld4 by 2. Give add. This is the line 6. After that line 6 we will give, after the else and give minus ld by 4 is the u, minus ld by 4 u and the v is lr by 2. Ending point v is l minus lr by 2 and give create and see that antenna structure. while it's correct or not. This is the structure of that Yagi Udo antenna. After that, we will give source load, and after we will go to the source load and wire plot wire plot and give an that y-axis line and give vertex location on wire is the middle. Give OK. After that, we will give that voltage source. Voltage source is correct. Give OK, and we will see the configuration and give the frequency. We will give the frequency range. In the frequency range, we will give linear speed direction point, linear speed directive point. We will give one, and that starting frequency is 0.8 into f, and the ending frequency 1.2 into f. The number of frequencies is 50, and give OK. After loading, give request and the far field. Give request and go to the far field. It will loading sometimes. In the far field, give 3D pattern. Give 3D pattern and create. After that, creating the 3D pattern, go to the S parameter configurations and give OK. The S parameter configuration 1 is created by configurations, and give the mesh and go to the modifying mesh and give mesh sizes standards, and wire segment radius is the wire radius. Give apply. Check whether the line is, or else give that modify mesh and give the fine in the mesh size. It will come, the size is, check the size, and we will go to the solver runs and feko solver. Give the feko solver, then it will run that antenna design. It asking save. Create a document, any document, and put Yagi antenna. Yagi antenna and save. Then it will run. After running, we will check that file in that file managers, and it will have that output. Give that output means it will automatically go to the post FICO, and it will show that designed antenna. See the designed antenna and give far field. In the structural configuration 1 given means in the under it will have the requesters, and give the far field 1. That it will show like this. The gain, we will change that fixed frequency. We will change the fixed frequency into that 400, and we will change that fixed frequency into 401.633 megahertz given, and see that far field diagram, the total gains. After that, we will give that After that we will give the Cartesian and give the S parameter configuration one, and in that under request is there, the S parameter given means it will show the X parameter. We want to see the distance, we want to see that bandwidth, reflection bandwidth, give the reflection bandwidth